After successful installation of Python, go to your command prompt and type Python. If you see your Python version, which indicates you have successfully installed Python. Now let's get into main topics. We have two ways to execute Python programs. One is through scripting and another is through command prompt, or CLI you can say. This is interactive mode of Python execution. Now type print within the quotes, type hello world or anything. Hit enter. So whatever you type within the code will come down there as an output. Oh, not just this, you can do 10 minus 99, it will give you directly. So this is interactive way of executing Python, so without getting into the scripting mode. Now we will see what is scripting mode really is. To exit this interactive mode, type exit, open braces, close braces, and hit enter. You will be out of this Python interpreter. Now minimize this window. Now you can see I am using Visual Studio for my coding exercises. You can use simple notepad or any other your favorite notepads. Now here I have a Python folder, Python _3 as a folder. Within that folder I have a hello world.py extension file. Now here I'll type print, open braces, close braces, within I'll type India or any text you like. I'll save this file. I'll go to terminal, new terminal. Here I have my terminal here. Now it is currently pointing to my user profile. I'll change my directory to desktop slash, okay, I am in my desktop. Again I'll change the directory to Python _3, and if I do directory check, see I have my file here. This is fine. Now how do I run this script? Now script is ready. The script ends with .py file. To run the script, type a command Python space your script file name, hello world.py, Python space hello world.py. if you are in the same folder where you're executing, hit enter, you will see India. Thank you for watching.